Hey, welcome back. All right, the 996 911, first era of the water-cooled 911s, 9706. This one's a 2000. Took it in on trade, that E46 M3 in a Mola Red. Adam, out in Boone, thank you, enjoy that beast. This guy was his car for the past 5 years. This is a 2000 C2 with only 67,000 miles, black, and it's a pretty neat little build, Jay. It's got a full set of MCS adjustable suspension system with reservoirs. It has a set of Forged Apex wheels, upgraded brakes, suspension, exhaust, tasteful modifications for a nice weekend toy, something you can take on the track. It's been primarily maintained by a Porsche specialty shop in Richmond, and we have a binder of service records. And last but not least, if you are looking at a 996, you of course know about the IMS. This does have a replacement IMS bearing from LN Engineering. Checklist, all that work done, thousands of dollars worth of aftermarket parts and service, and only 67,000 miles. This one is staying here at Atlas. The team here has definitely enjoyed this well-done build, but it is going to be coming soon and becoming available probably around the same price point as an E46 M3, so definitely good competition. Beautiful 2000 C2. Check it out.
Now, Dan, if you don't recreate that scene from Super Troopers, you're fired.
Sorry, officer. It's a good movie. And the German guy gets pulled over.
Nicht?
Do you know why I pulled you over?
Because we were driving way too fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow! Woo! Dude, it sounds so good. So good. What's up, guys? It's Dan at Atlas. We're doing a windows down drive today because we have to. We're in our new 2000 Carrera 2. We just got traded in. This thing is awesome. The guy who traded it in, he had put a $10,000 MCS coilover setup on it. Some real wide sticky tires, Apex wheels. This thing is ready to rip. It's fun. I'm not an amazing driver, but already this is just such a fun car to drive. This thing rips, dude. I want to drive it hard so bad, so bad.
I know, it wants you to.
The whole time it's just like, come on, man.
I know, man.
Just come on, man.
End it.
You got to. Little pops. Oh, it's so good.
If it's got four wheels, we'll take it. Just because it's not a BMW doesn't mean we'll take it on trade-in. We do accept trade-ins, guys. So if you got a car right now, whether it be a Ford, a Chevy, Mini, Porsche, what have you, we'll take it in on trade-in. This is a 15 Mustang Auto with only 70-odd thousand miles. We just took it on trade on a 3 Series. So it's gonna be coming available mid-teens. I mean, if you wanna be cool and have a Mustang, first-time driver's car, pretty cool, pretty cheap. Anyhow, if you do have a car, you're interested in trading in one of our BMWs, we do accept it. Send us the number, send us the info, we'll take a look. If it makes sense, might be here next to the Mustang. Check it out. Lot walk time, Jay. We got our Alpine White 1M right now the lowest price 1M, at least within 1,000 miles of here. 70-odd thousand mile, 2-owner. We got a 328 in here for service. We got an M3 in for an SMG to 6-speed swap. Parts are in it, waiting to go. We got the 11 Lotus Evora, 1-owner with only 6,000 miles. 2 E39 M5s becoming available, a 2000 and a 2002. Almost ready. These guys take a lot of loving care. We're almost done. All right, let's walk down the front, Jay. Front row lineup. We got a 135 with only 21,000 miles. 2011 328 M Sport with 59,000 miles. Get you some. 13 328, chains and guides done. Over $5,500 worth of work. 10.5. Got a 6-speed E46 M3 vert. This was an SMG converted to a 6-speed with 71,000 miles. Listed for 23 and some change. And then our SMG vert with 101 for 17.5. Lastly, to round out the E46 M3s, we have a competition coupe SMG with just over 90-odd thousand miles, listed at 30. Come this way. We had an F Generation 3 Series manual here. It's now sold. Shout out to Aiden, Tanner, and Johnny, 3 customers down in Southern Pines who have bought cars from us now. This one is a 428 manual, mineral white metallic, 1-owner, super clean car. X3 with the N20, 12 grand. X3 35i N55 car, 17 for 20. This is a newer 17 X3. I believe this one should be an N20 car. This one just arrived. It's going through our process now. John's already PPI'd it. 19 X5. This one's a 1-owner with tons and tons of options on it. Extended leather, luxury seating package. We're gonna take a look at this one next because that is a super well-equipped car. Our X3 M40, the last of the couple that you've seen over the past 4 weeks. This one is headed out west. A couple coming in, trading in their Honda Pilot. We just talked about trade-ins. We take everything. Honda Pilot getting traded in on Thursday on this guy. It's gonna be headed back to West Virginia. Dave 7 Series, a sports short manual. We got an E91 wagon, 328 Xi manual. This guy belonged to Jonathan, an enthusiast up in Chicago. Hi, Jonathan. He picked up my M3 wagon. Good to know that M3 wagon's in good hands. This is the E91. It finally arrived in North Carolina. We are going to be going through it. I've been driving this for the past few days. Love it. I miss my 09. Phenomenal car. We got another 328 that's becoming available. Another 6-speed manual 328 that's at BMW right now for the Vanos recall. That's going to be coming up soon. Over here, M3 Coupe coming up soon. Service car, trade-in. The Vert that we profiled from Cars and Bids, it's right there. 640 Grand Coupe, 2 really nice G-Body 5 Series. We got a 17 330. My favorite, really unique blue on beige. This is a 17 330 with only 58,000 Sport Pack. Love this car, adaptive, everything. Gorgeous daily driver. 89,000 mile 11, one previous owner for under 10 grand. That's a phenomenal value. 128, super clean 1-owner. And then finally, to round it out, Jay, we got the 11 328 with only 35,000 miles. 1-owner. Awesome inventory right now, super clean cars, tons and tons of money as always put into each and every single one. Stop by, refer somebody, we'll take care of them. All right, welcome to one of our best well-equipped X5s. G-Body X5, this one's a 19, 1-owner with 96,000 miles, but it has a ton of options in it. Namely, it's got heads-up, premium tech, Harman Kardon audio, but I'll jump in the other side. So of course we have the beautiful upgraded leather on the seats because this one has the multi-contour seats, the luxury seating package, but it also has a leather wrap dash with a beautiful top stitch. It does have heated and cooled ventilated seats, multi-contour, so super adjustable, super comfortable. And it's also got massaging seats. Heated, cooled, massage, upgraded leather, extended leather, and of course, highly debatable, but you have your nice little crystal shift knob here, crystal iDrive controller. I'm sorry, it's a little different. I'm not used to it. It's another reminder of how BMW is continuing to be more like Mercedes and go a little more luxury than sport, but anyhow, let me know what you think in the comments. You like the crystal shift knob? I don't. Beautiful, beautiful car, extremely well equipped, 1-owner, heads up, luxury seating pack, extended leather, It's got driving assistance 1 and 2, if I'm not mistaken. Super well equipped X5. This would be a nice car to take your family on for Christmas vacation. Right here, you got USB charging access, USB-C charging access, and then this is an accessory. Believe it or not, they make different, you know, like a coat hanger, if you will. There's different accessory attachments that you can plug into the back of the seat to keep your little minions happy, or to keep your laundry fresh after you pick it up from the dry cleaner. Pretty neat. Neat little modular system. They're going modular with all the engines and drivetrains, right? But they're also taking that into the inside too. Again, BMW has always been top down. So the latest and greatest is in the 7 Series, and they work their way down into the 3, the 5s, the 3, 4. So the X5s have always had that 80/20 tailgate, for better or for worse, because if you are an E70 X5 owner, you know how much noise this made. My 2010 X5 diesel had so much chatter, it was terrible. Anyway, this is pretty bougie. Gosh forbid you'd have to stress lowering the rear door. One thing I do like about the G-bodies, X3 and X5s, you can of course hit these switches here, the seats fold down, there's no more awkward reaching over. It's nice, but this car is really pretty. You've got this beautiful mocha colored brown carried from the carpet into your hard plastics and into the leather on the dash. Really, really pretty. There's tons of palette options. You know, if you go back to the older X5s, you either had black, gray, brown. The choices, the color choices were very limited. But now the new X5s and X3s, the palettes for the interior colors are pretty staggering. Coffee, toffee, cognac. It's pretty wild. Again, more evidence that suggests BMW is just going luxury. Let us know in the comments. What do you think? What do you think?